and overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 11, verse 12 to 13. And Arphaxad lived 530 years and begat Salah. And Arphaxad lived after he begat Salah 403 years and begat sons and daughters. So here comes Arphaxad, and he begat Salah, and Salah became the head of the family, and Salah and became the head of their family, and Arphaxad groomed his firstborn Salah to be the head of the family, and at the same time the priest of the family, guiding them to serve and obey God, and of course guiding even the generations after Salah, meaning even the children of Salah. So Salah is the now the head of the family, and at the same time the priest guiding the entire his entire household. This means that whatever happened to his household, it is his responsibility to correct them and to rebuke them if and to obey God all throughout their life.